Hello, I'm Maria, your virtual customer service representative. I will tell you about 3D printed spare parts. You can read more at 3dstep.fi. 3D printed spare parts are a smart choice in many situations. Today, long delivery times and logistical problems are a particular headache. When a part breaks unexpectedly, 3dstep produces a spare part in a few days, instead of waiting weeks. If the need for spare parts is foreseeable, we can produce parts on demand and on time. The need for consumable components can often be anticipated. These include rotating and moving parts. For older equipment, such as the boat engine in the picture, parts or their drawings are not available at all. In this case, 3D printing is a practical solution. Spare parts made of metal are of the same quality as the original parts. Sometimes by changing the material, the component can even last longer than the original. Aluminum was chosen as the material for the engine cylinder cover. Plastic spare parts can be produced quickly and cheaply. Typically, plastic spare parts are moving or rotating components that wear out or break. For example, the broken wheel in the picture was replaced with a 3D printed wheel. Costs were reduced to a fraction of the original spare part. Sometimes 3D printing can produce better spare parts than the original. The design can take into account wear and breakage points. The defect is removed in the digital model. The operation of flow channels can be improved. Even material consumption can be reduced. Ensure your business with 3D printed spare parts with 3dstep.